ITB China Service Center app is ready to be downloaded. Enter your email and your password to log into your system. Based on your profile, the business matching will suggest potential partners to you. Select a minimum of 45 and a maximum of 65 potential business partners. The more the better. You have the option to accept or deny the suggestions. See additional details about the suggested company. After you have made your choice, the company is either added to your selection or will not appear again. You are able to see your selection and set the priority of your results by shifting them up or down. Buyers are able to set the time when they are unavailable for business meetings. You are also able to select potential partners by filtering them according to your criteria in the buyer list. A heart symbol means the buyer would like to meet you. Access your schedule in your calendar and see details of the meeting by selecting the appointment. At the event, you are able to confirm a meeting with a QR code and are able to evaluate it. We wish you successful matchmaking at ITB China.